Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to share location on WhatsApp. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. And once you've opened, you can just go ahead to the chats and select for the conversation that you'd like to send the location to. May it be a personal message or through a group chat, but in this video I'll only use a personal message. And once you've opened it, on the bottommost part you will see the message box wherein you type your message, but along with it you will be seeing the paperclip icon right next to the camera. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap that one, and once you've tapped it, you will be seeing this set of options. You can either send a document, send a video or a picture using a camera. You can also select from the gallery. You can send audio, contact, or even start a poll. But in this video, we're only be sharing our location. That is why we're selecting location. Let's go ahead and tap that. Once you tap it, you'll be transferred to the screen. And as you can see, there are two options, such as share live location or send your current location. Okay, so the difference between the two is live location speaks for itself. It shares your live location that when you move, they will also see that you moved on the map that you've sent to them. But if you choose send your current location, it will only show their location, the exact location where you've sent that current location. But in this video, we're gonna be using share live location. Let's go ahead and tap that one. Once you've tapped it, you'll be given three options, such as sharing the live location for only 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. You can also add a comment, but if you don't like, just leave it be. And once you've selected the span of time you'll be sharing your live location, just go ahead and press send. And the live location has been sent. And when they've tapped on that, they will be seeing your live location. And also, you can also stop sharing by tapping on the stop sharing on the bottom right corner of your screen. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.